How much is it, Johan?
10, 5 each.
Oh, that's cheap.
No, no tenía mucha pintura.
Vale, sería en 25 minutos.
Here we go again.
We're going to the highest point in Cadiz. Look at the garden.
Yeah, that's pretty. Just came up these ones. Now we're going up these ones.
Here we are.
And we got more.
Hello. So we're 45 meters above sea level here. We have our ship down there, right there. And you have the big ship from Southampton next to us. What a beautiful city. Yeah, we're on top of the world here. So I don't know what that is yet, but we'll explain that shortly. All right, Lynette, how was the walk up here?
It wasn't too bad, but I was looking for the escalator the entire time.
Yeah, there was none.
There was none. Super narrow stairs.
Yeah, it was cool. This is where we were earlier when it was raining. Took shelter there in the square. And then we checked out the market down here. Yeah, this is the highest point in Cadiz.
Johan being Johan.
Let's see. You can see. That's my home right over there.
I like people's little backyards here.
This is good for the gag reel.
Yeah.
Go up, you must come down.
Finally have some sunshine. We're heading to the town square here. Dave's looking for some ice cream in here. We're at the San Antonio Square. I'm just looking for a place to eat. Dave got an ice cream. Okay, we're at the restaurant Soria.